What the duration for this stay upon the fire? How long you think this have to stay upon the fire?
I think I show my great down easy hard.
Look how it take time shrivel long now. So you see shrivel it and shrivel long?
Yeah.
We
You
know
not get
me.
none.
We know four size can't get the four size again. Now I end up with more. Put my tongue between my teeth and say,
You're too freakens.
what?
Freakens.
Curry chicken soup.
Yeah, I call it chicken soup, yeah. What do you say?
Yeah, and get on a pumpkin for dipping it, you know? So Rasta, that's how we get the chicken today.
Oh.
With all of them butter blood and skin in it. Rasta, you that? Oh, can't see you from where there.
Me there up on the corner, see you.
Why?
One of those dash me way.
We dash away or you dash we way?
Dash away with a view dash away.
Are we not see you, you know?
That joke you see me every day. Every day you see Rasta.
The fans them a ball for your video though.
When the fans about, they don't know, so I think sometimes out the road busy. And you know?
And then next time we go
Next
workload.
time the work, sometimes the work have you all on couple days just go shut you up.
9 to 5 to make the bread and butter, you know?
No, me on 95, me not nice.
So now that's why we never see him on the 9 to 5 to work.
No, 9 to 5, you can't call that 9 to 5.
What
9 to 5.
What you call that?
Out and running.
9 to 3.
Out and running.
Alright.
I'm saying, out and running, because if you get it, you have to just out and running from it.
True.
We are going to dice.
Yeah, people, you know, we kind of dip on the next to the street side today, so please excuse the distraction sounds in our background, you know? Vehicle and everything are pass.
So you let them know, say,
Bear with me.
bear with me, because I don't really say we end up on the roadside. I just all things set in the morning, you know. And I'm active, so we have to deal with it right away, quick and fast.
Prepare something for them, you know?
Something for the channel.
Because they've been asking.
One Martel TV, because I'm not asking, Rasta have to pull you up, go now, straight. Now the Wednesday morning, yeah.
Rasta.
Up and running. What?
This is a roast.
The man bring a pumpkin, say, I want me roast it higher. A roast pumpkin.
Rasta, I didn't know about a roast breadfruit and curry chicken. I never know a roast pumpkin.
That me I said so. We are what's the way I go and we are test him.
Yeah. Fiddle with me. Does that come out well?
Boy.
But we're not giving no great as a first. I want to experiment this. No Rasta.
Right.
You know, if you have one night, I'm going to give one 5 today or one 6.
Oh, yeah.
I regular 8.
I reckon.
You know?
So you always hate me.
Yeah?
You always
That's
hate.
a great that type of.
Great. Just no great I can run through you so.
So Rasta. That's one of the island of the year. Yeah, I use the skin and fry it on island today. No island there, bad man. I never know that can use and make island.
I mean, that can work.
The skin. You don't know about anything there.
I call look at curry where I do to them and I say I can burn 2 pieces of skin, man.
Yeah.
Burn all the chicken body too and get the oil out, right?
What am I talking about?
Where you get that from?
So we don't need only for oil for the curry, just burn the chicken bottom and the skin.
Rasta, what you say for the bird bottom?
Get.
Rasta.
Put on proper
Rasta, what you say for the?
put on proper clothes for your argument.
What you say for the Rasta? But Rasta, you say as well. You see as how you say curry goat are your favourite. Yesterday, you know, another Rasta man I say boy was a female favourite thing. Oxtail, you know what was oxtail a female favourite? Better never tell me Rasta I say so. Saglet.
Chocolate, tell you that?
Yes, oxtail a female thing. Yeah?
So I'm always a bonfire for you, so Rasta.
I say boy I love the oxtail and I used to suck off all the oxtail bone there.
I know.
That's sweet him.
See me Rasta deal with the goat bone too, man.
What may I tell him say?
You see me I didn't know goat bone.
I mean, you know me I pinned the video and I did this video.
You pin it in there.
Yeah. So Rasta, that's how we get the chicken today.
Oh.
With all of them butter blood and skin in it.
You see the skin up on the chicken?
So you now clean it up.
You treat me, you see me take off all the skin them already, sick head.
Ah man, come like me nasty good.
You nasty good. Look pan, you see skin pan there?
You say nasty.
Nasty.
Me nasty good or you nasty?
You're nasty. Nasty, you're nasty.
Me or you?
Yo!
Nasty.
Yeah, cause nasty good. Nasty good your name.
Yeah.
Man, I give it all like butter, blood and
You see
skin.
any butter blood night chicken, I follow just kill. It looks so. You just kill him.
Just
It's like you just dead him. Sit there the high, so I'm strip off his skin.
Yeah.
And the man about the butter blood.
Yeah.
I must see I use butter blood there. Where you ask more?
I want me hear you say out of your mouth, you
You
know.
not talk that. Me don't know where you ask what's about. Don't say that, boy. Never you do that.
Alright, my bad. So that's that roast pumpkin thing.
I try.
Yeah. What me ask you is,
Yeah.
you steam some rice on the side in case it not come out good.
No.
Eh?
will come out good.
Yes, if it not come out good, or just some curry chicken where I eat then.
Yeah, well, no. Me tell you this. If I your company app,
Yeah.
and you see what I go on, you just stay with the pan the app on him one Martel TV. Don't change
Rasta,
it.
me ask you a thing.
We have
So this is
roast-
our hill, right?
Yeah,
This is our hill.
yeah.
I have a pumpkin truck on top.
Yeah.
I bear 2 pumpkin. Which part of them are grow? Which part of them are drop?
No roll long deal.
Pumpkin not carry 3 bad man.
For your vine.
So I got to
But I think about tree.
In the answer,
What you must say here, Rasta?
It's a pumpkin that drop off a tree.
Anything you
And
want?
roll go down hill.
That roll down back down so.
Rasta know nothing about pumpkin.
Me not plan pumpkin. Me eat pumpkin.
Yeah.
That turn and buy one whole of pumpkin.
You love it, sir?
What?
So you ever, alright,
Yesterday man.
pumpkin juice, you ever make it? You ever make it? Bad, though.
It's on the carrot.
Bad, man.
Yeah,
What?
man. Yesterday morning, a 3 slice cherry cook and give me.
Pumpkin?
And 3 dumpling. And last night
So you
again.
eat off all in
And we asked last night again a pumpkin again. We said that the light.
Yeah.
I need my salt on
Rasta.
the board. Bring the salt from
Rasta,
Martel.
the other day, I put on the video.
Yeah.
And I make the fans and watch it in the bar. Them I say, yo, you know,
Alright,
for stop
kill
make
him
Rasta
with
kill off
salt,
on, you know.
I like killing the oil and salt. Watch what I say. This is a little vinegar me I used to wash out my meat as you do. No, don't know so I think set enough.
Yeah.
Cleanliness is godliness, you know. So I have to wash out my thing them properly, you know.
Only thing we never like, you know, clean up the butter blood and the skin.
Still come
Like,
back again, man.
watch me on this. If anybody camera here, you got to
Yeah, but we protect the camera.
Yeah, I don't just give somebody. And she said, look in there, people. You know see any butter blood in there? See there? Look pan it. You see butter blood in there. Look. You know see any skin pan it? Rasta not dealing nothing with skin pan chicken.
Yeah.
So don't come in the nonsense in the pan the Martel TV here, you little shine.
Great Michael on the job, people. I ask him how him feel about this roast pumpkin and curry chicken. What I go do today? The great Siva.
Yeah, I want 2 slices of pumpkin.
Yeah,
You ever eat it before?
never eat it before, but
Yeah.
we have tried.
I'm gonna try this though.
Yeah,
Roast pumpkin.
never eat it yet. Yeah. I'm gonna try this and see what we make about that.
Yeah.
That's the
You
roast
eat
pumpkin.
roasted fruit with curry chicken, never pumpkin, no.
Never pumpkin.
We are going to eat it today.
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 Today is the day.
Today is the day.
No
So yes,
problem.
we call it at lunchtime.
Well, not for the lunchtime for we eat this.
Can be before.
Can be before lunchtime.
You're going to get left out.
Yeah, I'm going to show it you. But you are saying, so we're not grade him today as well. At first, you test this, but you must say, need him grade.
Alright, so hold on the fire. Like, I first you are gonna do this.
Everything we have done a little bit nicer.
Hey, Darren, say, man, I'll
Yeah,
do
man,
it
yo,
first.
everything what you do it for first.
Yeah, but you and me
You
I
to
said.
get grade.
But you and me I said to
Alright,
you,
Fiddler.
know.
I need it.
But you and me I said to you, know.
Yes, sir.
And this way you gonna deal with another deal,
Deal,
right?
Big Mike, we no
This-
deal on there, sir.
Alright, this way we gonna
This,
Performing
not this now
on-
play. Not this now play. So don't come with this thing,
you
man.
see, we gonna
Talk
perform
proper
this.
speech,
Yeah, alright, we gonna
Rasta.
perform. We gonna perform this in the day, right?
Right, you're talking now.
You feel like say you deserve a 10?
Yeah, well, I'm ask you a question. You talk about feel. Now, you am feeling there, say, no? I know ground feeling, I know blind man there, so I know.
Alright,
When
this
you
is
come straight.
alright, this is based upon this. You think you can get a 10 today for this?
More than that.
What?
More than that, bro.
But none of we never eat this yet before, you
You
know.
gotta eat it today. No.
Roast pumpkin.
Roast pumpkin.
I
What?
be-
You know, tell him, roast pumpkin is gonna
So
eat
Shamar, you feel like you can get a 10 in idea?
Anything possible through Christ, man.
I want to tell him
What were you say about it?
The 10? With this?
Yeah.
I don't say something now and grade him, but he must say he need it, so I could so he come down.
Well, for my behalf still, you know.
Yeah.
When I come and test this here. If
Yeah.
it not work out to my standard, you know, me I grade you. Now I give you a grade, you know.
So you're a standard runner? You are standard?
Of course I do.
What is your standard?
My standard is like from
From where?
100 right up.
Yo!
Yeah.
British! Not tell a lie. A general pan the corner, real big mic.
But me not lie, Michael. I want to know what it tastes like.
Me? Me?
You want what you
Me want to know what it tastes like. Listen.
Hold on, don't look Mike, big man.
Yeah.
You eat pumpkin, we cook.
Yeah.
We never eat it well raw.
Me drink it too.
We drink it, we blend it and drink it as juice.
So-
Carrot,
so-
beetroot,
So fire.
and try them together.
Yeah,
Nice.
but, alright, so fire. You see based upon this now.
Yeah. It all come out good.
It all come on.
Yeah, it all
Perfect.
It all come out good.
Perfect.
Because remember I say no, everything you got to be the first and you have to try. And nothing beat a trial.
Nothing beat a trial but a failure, no?
And I never tell about fail. What I'm saying? I never tell you nothing about fail. I only tell you about trial.
A good liar beat trial.
So this how we are going to perform still in a fire.
Yeah.
Me hope you get the amount you're supposed to get.
You're gonna get it.
You want to get it?
We're gonna get it. So we're gonna put it here. So we're gonna
No
we're gonna
problem.
put it together that is right there. So when Big Mike take it, you're not gonna tell us about the man ask about if I want it, I'm not. I just go to practical.
What you want to forget?
Based upon that adventure, you know.
I lyrics man.
Yeah, but you know, if you have got the thing.
Yeah, you never have to go there.
You can't, other things there you can talk about.
What do you want me to talk about now?
Well,
Nah, forget it.
based upon
I love the
this,
lyrics,
you
man.
know, you know, brother?
Yeah.
And this is a programming idea. The roast pumpkin. We already know about the curry chicken. Yeah.
I roast pumpkin.
Yeah. And me I tell you,
Yes,
to
you don't know you can cook chicken already.
yeah, you see, to be honest, me don't need no bag of crowd for this. I mean, just need to know that. Once a pumpkin that stay, it's not very big.
Yeah.
So, yo, me I focus on it to get 5 more 4 slices at a time. You get a 4, you
If
get
you
a
want
4.
4, half a pumpkin you want. Come on,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. But alright, that's how we there. For the morning, alright? Yeah. The adventure.
You ever eat roast pumpkin at my boss? You ever hear about it yet, either?
Rest in peace. Well, this is it, Shamar.
This is it. Rasta the control as usual. Come, wow, come look at it, my brother. See there? As usual, you don't know. Well seasoning.
So there's any pepper in it?
Rasta.
Yeah.
You see a little improvement in it. You start use the ground season them, you know.
They don't see when I use them all the way.
No.
No, you like too much powder.
I him.
You own the man, sir.
Well, you see me I use powder? Powder is something people put on there. You know, I know you turn on that. Come on your backside. Powder. Now we got powder, yeah.
You see a titivate up, more powder.
More powder. Like this we are cooking. You see the woman there, so we are powder.
You said near, the man said. You say, yeah.
Who him? He not got no Mary. Nor said. Right where so Rasta is here.
Pan the hilltop.
Right on the hilltop, on the front page, up on the One TV, Martel TV, Channel TV, up and run, prescribe, Rasta said that. Love, straight, here to scale. Up, mad, round there.
So Rasta, what the duration for this stay upon the fire? How long you think this have got to stay upon the fire for roast?
We don't know nothing about that.
Remember, like, you know, at first,
At first we are doing it. So we are just roast until it catch color. And so I go. You don't know something like breadfruit, where we can say, we say burn and we are turn. We just have to turn him properly because the first we are going to deal with this, right sir? So subscribe, up and running. One Martel TV.
Rasta and pumpkin thicker than breadfruit, though.
No, with that,
Alright, I said ratio.
when I said ratio, because I say breadfruit have him hard and pumpkin have him seed. So nothing wrong with seed. Seed them can eat seed and like pumpkin. Me heart I breadfruit can eat.
Yeah, you see it, guys.
You see that this guy can nothing wrong with this, so we have to already.
So, how you say, a pumpkin more healthier than a breadfruit?
Right now, pumpkin healthier than breadfruit. Yeah.
So if this work out properly, Rasta, a straight roast pumpkin we are going down and done it breadfruit business.
We can do that, yes.
What do you mean, man?
Yeah, this is not nicer than the breadfruit.
Yeah, me feel
You
so.
mean how much nicer than breadfruit? I was choose a breadfruit. When you roast it, you can peel it and slice and fry. But you this and something to slice and fry, just eat same time. You see it? Subscribe. Martel TV, up and running.
I'll mine. Jesus
What
Christ.
I got to throw in iPad?
See there? Your oil I use already.
A 5-pound chicken you cook.
25.
Must. With so much oil.
Hey, you see you? You Martel, you
You
squidly.
see you?
You see you squidly? When Dalby say you forget half a dumpling, much you forget today? I pumpkin. You stamp your one?
Anything you want to do, you can do, man.
Let I give you a stamp here.
You want to have it all, you have it
No,
all.
me not have it now. No, I give you the stamp.
Be a supper.
Whoa, go there. Up and running for the Martel Channel 1 TV.
Yo.
Subscribe. The big mic.
You see,
Careful, mine you go too close to the edge.
you see that?
Man, you go too close to that. This is a
Yo, just step away from there, son, please.
I'll feel 2 foot of block today.
Yo,
Stick like 1 foot block per day. So feel 2 of
listen me now. Listen.
You see the pumpkin, Rasta?
Yeah.
When this done roast, you know, you don't have a scrape all this. You just eat all the skin. and
No,
can
man,
eat.
I have clip all them black them, man.
What?
All them black the script that make you look brown and pretty. And then I use that. You just slice him and just squeeze him in the mouth.
No smell of curry in this. Silencer.
How we ask me?
I can start with curry in a cool oil fiddly. God.
You don't know cool oil, cause the man you into a lot sizzle. Man make it stem pop off in a general.
So what
Can't
time
pop
that?
bad man up there say every touch it. Yeah, that fiddly. Little sizzle.
This a pumpkin are very small, and when I look at it, I say, when them cut this, boy, I mean, watch it, look how it take time shrivel long now. So you see shrivel it and shrivel long.
Yeah.
Me
You
know
don't get none.
Me
I
know
hear
say
one.
4 slice can't get the 4 slice again. Now I end up with both. Put my tongue between my teeth and say, 2.
People, look at the punk.
How much?
Put my tongue between my teeth and say, 2.
Two slices of
Look at it. No, look on it. Look on it. Look on it.
You want it to come down, you know?
Yeah, man.
That's a roast pumpkin, man. I want your fiddly. Up and running, 1 TV now. Martel TV. Subscribe. Go me.
Where you say, Rasta?
Eh?
That word we
Me,
just said.
I just told Martel say,
Yeah.
if him not smelling
Yeah.
the 2 freakens,
Me can't answer that because I don't know what you're talking about.
You listen.
the freakens of the curry and the freakens
The
of
Rasta?
Me can't answer that because
freakens.
freakens.
of the curry.
Me not smell no freakens.
Freakens.
Fragrance or freakens?
Eh?
What I know? Listen.
Up and running for the TV. Subscribe. Man,
The 2 freakens.
2 freakens.
Yes, be a supper.
Yeah, smelling.
You want no
Yeah,
man.
yes, big man.
We're proud of it. We're proud of what we can say, you know.
Yeah.
And people can understand
What
we
we
say.
mean. Exactly.
Because we are trying to say it.
Yeah.
But you know, you do it over and over and over. Alright, say it again now.
Prescribe. Up and running.
What is the word? What is the word?
The word? My word here
No,
now?
the word what you say.
What you say if we smell? They smell the 2 what?
The 2 freakens.
The what?
Freakens. The 2 freakens of this. The pot and
And the pumpkin.
and the pumpkin.
Yeah.
2 freakens of the
When you
pumpkin.
hear that,
And
peep?
it's nice.
I wish you could have smelled the 2 freakens I put there.
Pumpkin,
Wait,
yeah.
say the word. Can't we can't even say it good?
The
The
freakens of
word
the
is
pumpkin.
what?
Freakens.
Freakens.
Yeah, and
The word
the
after the
smell. And the
Well,
man, the
listen.
smell. Not the smell.
Listen.
Listen me now.
Listen,
Big
yes,
man.
listen now.
Okay,
Word
man.
after
The
day.
word of today is
Freakens.
Okay,
okay.
I'm out.
I'm out.
You know, see there?
Yes, yeah, people. Bet
Yeah.
you never see this yet. Curry chicken soup.
Yeah, I call it chicken soup here again. What do you say?
Yeah, and get on a pumpkin for dipping it, you know?
Right, you know?
How you African something name fiddly?
Fufu.
The fufu.
And the food is in
Ain't me tell them man say super draw down.
Super dry, me cook soup there.
So anyway, you eat curry chicken soup.
This far. Never drink curry chicken soup, yeah? You say all you cracking off your brain this morning, you know. Remember me tell you that you are content about curry chicken soup.
So you pumpkin there?
The pumpkin?
Oh, you well put up.
Pumpkin secure.
Alright
See
then.
there?
So we now go and clean him down from now.
Not yet. I will not do them all of them right. Me cook and prepare it and leave it to you and
Alright.
Martin.
But you can clean it down still.
Regular.
But alright.
You can do it, baby. Because you have to be on the camera. You need an argument.
No, you would have behind the camera if you didn't know if you operate it.
No, that. Me tell you, if you get the camera for one piece of something, please hang me up. So that the one place I look on the wall away.
Alright, come. Right here. You come over and video. Burn up your chicken.
The bun up is chicken ready. Sit there. Up and running.
Tell her soup or dry down, you know.
See it?
Ready like Freddie McGregor. Sit there.
Yeah, soup, come down.
The soup, you never boil no soup.
My wife in my skin, man.
You can't eat the skin British. See it black. Right, look fiddly.
Mmm.
Pretty like money. I think I show my great down easy hard, you know.
Yeah, Shemar plant a
I
pumpkin.
show our
Yeah.
plant
My brother is.
Yeah, show our product this up.
Plant
Have more down there.
We have to go down a yard, go say what go and come more
Go
pumpkin
read
down.
the farm.
Go read the farm.
Pumpkin look like that.
Alright, I must
Yo.
just say go on tonight now.
Pumpkin ready, you
Yo,
know.
Whoa.
it one can left around the kitchen still, yo.
Why?
Me a big
Why?
mic right there, so. How we dealing?
Yo, Batman,
It's a gender reveal.
Look, so.
Whoa.
You're just a fiddly.
Once you know eat seed.
Eat seed. Yeah, I make Raja game first, team first.
Karaja, based upon what we are doing now, we are giving him a score. A number. So if it's not 10, you don't say a 10. Don't hear me. Don't hear me. If it's not 10, don't give him 10.
Alright, see it. Tell
Seriously,
Raja,
you-
make Raja see what I go
You
on.
never a man a hide.
Video him the fiddle, make you see what I go on for Raja.
Fix up your
man.
Fix up yourself.
I'm good, man.
Roast pumpkin.
Right?
I'm on 12 man to eat, man. Yeah, man.
Yes, first time I saw for this a mixture. Yeah.
Me as something to a chef.
Ah,
As a
Cold,
chef.
cold.
As a big chef.
As a top chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It roast like it cook.
Yeah.
I say it tastes real.
Yeah, like it cook.
Like a boil and
Yeah,
cook.
like a boil.
Alright then.
Yeah, man. You don't want to salt now, because you don't know you have the gravy.
Oh,
Yeah,
God,
yeah,
man.
so-
See them, man. That is it
Alright.
now.
That is
We're
it, man.
getting there. We are getting there.
Yeah.
Flavor then will incorporate
Yeah,
together and
all
thing.
the flavor then I can taste the roastness in the pumpkin.
Alright.
That
You
is-
hear that,
that's
dudes?
a respect.
You're gonna lead, man, dudes.
Well, God,
Respect.
man.
You hear that, dudes?
General saying can't taste the roasting of the pumpkin. So Ghana lead. Prescribe. Up and running for the one Martel
So
tea.
you know, for time wait for my
Fred,
score.
me not afraid for nothing for you. I do have shine it, man. So me not afraid for nothing. That me know you ever try to figure Rasta no square.
No, me
Chew you near Martel TV.
Me give you what you deserve.
Deserve. Come taste the roast pumpkin, my girl.
This
It's very delicious.
I know
you
you.
don't know yet.
Me can tell you that already, and
Yeah, but at the first we are doing
the smell of the pumpkin when it's roasting to the fragrance when we get. Is up
Fit
there. My
to the what?
fragrance, the fragrance.
Alright.
What?
Up there, the fragrance. Tell him. The fragrance of my
Free
pumpkin.
gets.
Up and running with the fragrance.
You see your vocabulary, Rasta?
Eh?
We need to step up on it a little bit more.
The more what?
Your vocabulary.
And not to change no vocabulary. I change it the fragrance.
Tell him, you know the word, boy, you build your own word.
You want a word.
I tell me the right word. then.
Fragrance.
Not the right word.
I think the
Right
right
word
word.
is the fragrance from my
Why always say fragrance?
I don't want no fragrance.
Fragrance.
From my curry and my pumpkin.
Stop rubbing the man free.
My fragrance with my curry and my pumpkin.
Fiddly, it look
What did they have video over there? I like quiet.
Alright. I swear, God.
Alright.
One Rasta.
Anyone?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh God, Michael.
Michael.
Pumpkin sweet.
I'm not gonna lie. Just a little piece of the pumpkin of it. Oh my God.
Mad.
Man, wanna cry.
A victory.
Yes, I win.
But what
Put her right.
this is what we
I
are
for pull up and forward.
Oh my
Yes, I
God.
pumpkin are gone.
Yo, as we Martel say, pumpkin is what fit like come on. That's all we did need. Because a fit a pumpkin and everything sweet and nice. But the fragrance,
what?
the fragrance turn out the right.
But for real fiddly, you see like a smoke flavor. Yeah, get it out of pumpkin seed. But if a pumpkin is fit up, it's more drier. But it'll go on.
That one. Yeah. Yeah. Roast pumpkin and curry chicken. Rasta deal it today. I'm not telling a lie.
Yes, up on you.
Based upon this, not even salt is need because the fragrance of the chicken. Nice.
I'm not gonna lie.
Alright. You can't take that
Me that think this
That's what?
was like, you know, it's not gonna be nice, but
It up
based upon what, I'm not lying. I'm gonna give him a 10.
You know why I give him a 10? You know why?
Are you a type of food that man?
You know, have nothing to fight with the gum. Just a milk.
Just come like a girl by my eating, just a swallow. Feel kind of meal this man.
Ready for taste everyone?
No, you know.
You ready?
No.
Everything can roast now, but
I suppose
My first.
Yes, Mike.
I'm gonna lie.
And you know what? You know, like,
That's how
me
you
eat the
say,
pumpkin
oh, yeah.
seed, nothing ain't wrong with it.
the pumpkin's alright, we crack them.
Yo, the seed good in it. Because look how we got the store and say, sell me a pumpkin seed, you know? Nothing wrong with it.
And I eat seeds still, but
That
get where I
is
say.
you.
Me, I gonna make sure pick out mine.
It's a go on, Rasta.
Yeah.
Active.
God, man, you're gonna lead.
That's what I lead it on.
You say, would I test it again?
Yeah, me I try it again.
A true man. It a fit a pumpkin though.
Yeah,
more
pumpkin.
dry
though.
pumpkin.
Dry, yeah.
That alone.
You know when me hear Martel I say do Raja, they must say next one when you roast, I prefer cool it and try cut it and fry it like how they do with breadfruit.
With a nice Naraja. I have some cook up saltfish that only onion and tomato.
Coulda work, man. Coulda work.
Yeah.
Coulda work.
Running.
That is our next experiment for try with it.
Let's say Big Mike.
You can't really got pumpkin.
Okay.
Yeah, but.
Me don't tell you get two, see them? Man, I'll share.
Yeah, man.
It's too big face, you know. Go on.
Yeah, give me.
Yeah.
Oh God. Delicioso. Yum 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 yum.
This?
Wow.
Big Mike.
True.
This you do with seed. Where do you do it? Dash a seed. Fling seed, you see me? And I eat seed. Anyway.
Yeah, but when you check on the seed, the seed do a lot to your body, innit?
No. Not to my body.
Yeah, that's what
Anyway, I test piece of pumpkin.
Ah!
And piece of
Listen.
curry chicken same
Listen.
time. Oh God.
Listen. You see the seed them? It do a lot to your body. So when you throw it away, the rat come and eat it.
Dodo,
They know why they eat it.
before I go down further, 10 out of 10 today. You see that sweet savory taste that I get?
Yeah.
It's richer than the smokiness of day night. The smokiness there too now, but you see that little sweet savory taste of a pumpkin again? Oh God, man.
Ready.
Oh gosh, man. This more harder every day, 7 days a week.
Alright, you're here.
No.
I see him face all that.
You're here.
Yes, I'm here.
You're here. Subscribe. Up and running for the channel, Martin.
Me nah lie you.
Yes, bad man.
You see this? This gone.
I lead.
I mean I tell you say yo, I'm sorry say it's a little pumpkin in bring.
You're a bigger one.
Yeah, if you bring a bigger pumpkin, me I tell you man, I whole universe.
More than I get, man. But
What?
as me I show you do, then I see it.
Yeah, but the seed do a lot to your body.
So
Not my body.
Fiddly.
Yes.
The next vlog is what?
Alright. I probably see him pumpkin again, but as you say, I go thin slice it and try fry it. I don't know where I get with it. Probably some goat.
What?
Pumpkin.
With some curry goat, huh?
No, we have a flour we are cooking this time.
So mega flour.
Mega flour.
Yeah.
Irish, carrot, banana.
Some plate there. Look on plate.
Alright? Dog, dog.
Just a seed and left.
Just a two little seed there.
Well enjoyed.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah. So yes, sir, Rasta.
Now chop down for me.
They want to catch up on next epic though.
Next one, the next episode, so after running up on the subscribe channel. Man, man,